But I'm an old lady who likes to stay clean.
Pretty much.
But that's just me.
I'm going to be backstage. So.
Scott was like, just stay back. Just stay in the back. Okay.
When was the last time they had 1,000 people at the amp?
Well, I don't know, because the only parties I've been to at the amp, there was way over 1,000. But that was several. Hey, those are my tomatoes. Don't break them.
That was for who?
What was the last show I went to there? Maybe Ghostland Observatory?
Who?
Ghostland Observatory? Look them up, they're amazing. It's like AC/DC went to a rave.
Okay.
I got Tommy and the Sunshine Band to sign my boobs at the end.
Awesome.
Janie, Sterling's girlfriend, dared me to do it, and so I did.
He does that every month. Like, that's cheap ass. So, like, total vision. Like, he makes $700.
I love you, son!
I'm 34 hours from graduating, so
The funny thing I'm getting out of this is people from Rock
Holy shit.
have been hitting me up on how to get in on this stuff, and I'm like,
Dude, watch those Little Rock people.
screw those Little Rock people, except for the
This is all on video, that's funny.
Holy shit.
No.
Isn't he amazing?
Bushy knows I fucking did
Nice, Ray!
Woo! First time he ever spun fire was at my house.
Oh, cool.
He was like 17, 16.
Get a little close to those.
Dude, if he burned down that wisteria, I would actually...
Then you look like
It's alright. It'll be fine.
Oh, you're fine. I'll talk to you.
Go pee on the bush.
Okay, guys.
Okay, the blue at the end.
Remember Seinfeld?
You know, I never saw that.
You never saw that? Oh my god.
I saw that episode.
That was a fucking awesome episode. I'm sorry.
My favorite, all-time favorite, is the one with the water pressure. Caught that on video, just letting you know.
These Facebook punk shows, you'll be on fucking garage. You will get your fucking face punched in.
That's what
Yeah, I know. And I wanted to come, because I haven't been to a punk show in a long time.
Yeah, I jumped in. I know it's shit.
Are they punk? Punk? Like punk?
What is their name?
Empty. Punk's dead.
I fucking love it though.
It's dead.
No, let me tell you something.